and healthy home cooked food every day, every time. Yan po, ang ating pong menu for today is, yan, nagluto tayo ng sinigang na walang tubig, chicken na walang seasoning, chicken na frozen, na walang oil. Tapos magluluto tayo ng pancit within 8 minutes. Tapos, ano ba? Yan, yung cake. Magluluto din tayo ng cake. The Salad Master established in 1946. 78 years in business na po tayo ngayon. Tapos ang ating pong head office is in Texas. Wisconsin, USA po siya. Own po siya ng Regalware. Tapos, ano po siya, limited lifetime warranty po siya. Pag sinabi kong limited lifetime warranty, misuse and abuse. Pagka po misuse niyo siya, hindi po siya papalitan. Pero kung nasira ng hindi sinasadya, kahit gano'n po katagal, papalitan po yan. Wala po kayong babayaran kahit magkano. Kasi meron po kaming isa na 25 years na siyang owner ng Salad Master. Hindi na po gumagana, may something na hindi na gumagana sa kanyang napalitan po siya ngayon. Wala pong question. Yun nga po, yung sinasabi nga po kanina na ang first product po ng Salad Master is ang food processor. It's all begun with the original and world famous Salad Master food processor. To this day, no kitchen is complete without it. Kasi free. Makukuha niyo po siya ng free. Repair lang po. 4 couples. Pag kami na-repair kayo na 4 couples, makukuha niyo po siya ng free. Pagka po halimbawa, dun sa 4 couples na in-repair niyo, walang nag-invest, walang bumili, babayad lang po kayo ng 150 para sa shipping. Yun lang po, shipping lang po ang babayaran. Pero kung may bibili naman po, wala na po siyang shipping. Libre na po siya. Yan, madali lang yung paggamit ng food processor. Tapos yan po, yung EOC natin. Tapos yun naman po, electric oil core skillet po. Ito pinaglutuan natin ng chicken. Tapos multi-purpose 5 quarts naman po. Yung pinaglutuan natin ng sinigang. Pwede rin po siya maging mini oven. Tapos, yun nga po, sabi ko kanina, mini oven, rice cooker, crock pot, slow cooker, at saka griller. Pwede po yan. Parehas lang po yan ng ayun, sikita na pala. Parehas lang po siya ng function. Nasa sa loob naman po yung function niya. Ay, tita. Tapos ka na agad. Tapos ka na agad na yung
Sorry, address lang ako.
Ito po yung dealer namin.
Okay.
Yan, yung chicken. Ganito yung kalabasan ng chicken natin. Tapos yung ating lechon kawali. Hindi na kailangan i-boil.
O kasi yung lechon kawali, kailangan lutuin mo ng 2 oras. I-boil mo ng more than 2 hours. Tapos
i-freezer mo.
Papalamigin pa.
Pwede naman siya na bibili kayo ng dito, yung nakapack na. Di ba frozen yun? Yan na ilalagay. Tapos frozen nyo siyang ilalagay dyan. Ayan, pancit. Magluluto tayo ng pancit. Ng 8 minutes yan. 10 minutes kasama ang preparation time kung walang daldal-daldal.
Pero wala rin tubig.
Ano lang po, gagamit lang tayo ng chicken broth. Yung isang ganito lang ng chicken broth.
Okay.
Yan lang gagamitin natin. Doon din sa Kung, di ba nagprito tayo?
Mm.
Doon na sa pinagpritohan ko ng, tatanggalin ko lang yung mantika, pupunasan ko lang siya. Doon na yan. Doon ko na yan. Yun ang lasa ng, parang yun na yung pinakalasa niya. Tapos chicken broth na rin lang. How do we throw away valuable nutrients? Yan. Ang una natin sa feeding, nakita niyo po ba na hindi ako hindi ako nagbalat ng gulay natin? Kasi nandoon yung yung enemies ng nutrition natin. Una is peeling. The major of the nutrients are located in or near on the skin. Kasi 'di ba, yung mga balat nun nasa likod pala nun yung mga nutrients ng pagkain, ng mga gulay. Hindi nyo pa ba napapansin na nung nasa Pilipinas tayo, ang healthy ng mga natin, ng mga pananim natin sa likod bahay. Kasi diba doon natin tinatapin yung mga balat ng natin. Tapos, ang second naman po is water. Many nutrients are water soluble and can leach out of vegetable when boiling and steaming. Paano po ba kayo nag-aano ng vegetable by boiling or steaming?
Stir fry.
Stir fry.
Stir fry.
Stir fry. Hindi kayo nag-boil or steam. Kunwari po, lulutuin ko lang po sa water. Kunwari lang lulutuin ko siya sa water. Kunwari pinakuloan ko lang siya. Kunwari kumulo lang po siya sa tubig. Less than a minute lang po siya. Hindi ko pa nag-tubig. Hindi ko napatikman sa inyo. Yung carrots kasi kanina, nalimutan ko para naman. Wait lang. Ito na yung food processor na. Ate, may nalimutan ako.
Ano yan?
Kaya mo na ulit ako food processor.
Ay!
Nakalimutan kong patikimin sa kanila ng Diyan na lang, diyan na lang. Nakalimutan ko. Yung patikimin ko lang po kaya. Matamis. Matamis yung carrots natin. Ngayon po, yung napakuluan ko na siya ng tubig. Patikman ko ulit kayo ng kaniban. Walang lasa. Cooking in water dissolve nutrients and dilute in flavor of your food. By eliminating water, can we serve delicious, healthy meal with the whole family? Ang daw po kasi, ang flavor, ang mineral ay nasa flavor, tapos yung color, ang vitamins niya. Kaya nawala na yung lasa. Nandito na po siya ngayon. Kung po, saan po natin ito ilalagay? Yung pinaglutuan natin. Diba tinatapon natin? Kung ang ating sink ay part ng ating family, so yun po, pinaka-healthy sa
Insig.
Ang napupunta lang po sa natin is tummy filler. Kaya dito na po tayo ano po mga inilalagay na natin dito.
So, tinanggal na natin yung nutrients pag ganyan.
Experiment on why Salad Master does not cook with water. Here we have the Salad Master machine. We have it on the number 1 cone, which is the finest grater, and we have a beautiful washed fresh carrot. And we're going to go ahead and grind this up here. You can also use this for cheese and graham crackers for a pie crust. You can also use it for an onion if you want to grate it finely. So we're going to put that right in here. And what we have here, you put your hand right inside, and it won't cut either. What we have here is we have a pot. Now, it's a plastic glass, but we're going to pretend that this is one of your pieces of cookware at home. And we're going to take our nice fresh carrot, and we're going to put it in our pot. Now, if you were going to take a bite of this fresh carrot, what do you think it would taste like? It would taste like a carrot. It would taste like a nice, fresh carrot with all the sugars and all the salt and all the goodness that is in there. Now, if you were going to put this carrot inside one of your regular pots at home, and you were going to cook this, what do we have to add to the carrot in order for it to cook? We've got to add some water. So here we have just some clear tap water, and I'm going to pour it over the carrots. Now, how long at home do you boil, steam, or microwave your carrots for? Some people might say, well, I do it for 3 minutes. Some people say 5. Some people say 15 minutes. However long you do it. Some people even steam them, but that also takes water too. Now, this has been in here for about maybe 30 to 45 seconds. It's not on any heat. The water was cold. We're not boiling, steaming, or anything like that. And if 9 times out of 10, what does the average person do with the water after they cook their vegetables? What do they do with the water? They drain off the water. So I'm going to show you, this has been in cold water for about maybe 45 seconds, maybe less than a minute. And I'm going to show you what happens, if you can see here. Look at that. And what is this? That is all of the flavor. There's a lot of the flavor in here, the vitamins, the minerals, the salts, the sugars, and all that good stuff. Now, if I were to ask you to taste this right now, it's going to taste like almost like cardboard. There's going to be very little flavor in it. You know, it's interesting. Would you ever take a nice raw carrot, and would you put salt and pepper and butter and sugar on a raw carrot and then take a bite? Oh, that would be awful. But what do we do when we cook our carrots and we put them on our plate? We sit there and we add the salt, the pepper, the butter, the sugar, and all that stuff that we're really kind of supposed to be eliminating from our diet. You know, if you ever go to the doctor and you have some type of a diet-related problem, if it's heart disease or high cholesterol or high blood pressure or anything like that, usually what is one of the first things that the doctor tells you to change in your lifestyle? Tells you to change your diet. And a lot of times they say, look, you got to cut out the extra salt and the sugar and the butter and all that kind of stuff. So that's one of the main reasons why Salad Master chooses to construct its equipment to be able to cook with no water, because we know that we want to retain all of this in our fruits and vegetables, because we want that going into the body. And like we showed you or shared with you just a minute ago, 9 times out of 10, what do people do with this? They go like this, and they pour all that goodness right down the drain. When you think about it, we're actually doing things a little bit backwards. We want to be keeping this in our bodies and to ward off any sickness and disease as the best we can. We don't want to be pouring that down the drain. So that's a quick little test and a little experiment that we like to do to show you the reasons why Salad Master cooks with no water.
Yan po ang pag no water natin.